Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact support in Warpath Ace Shooter. If you're facing any game issues or need help with your account, then you can easily contact customer support in Warpath Ace Shooter. Launch open the Warpath Ace Shooter app on your device first, and on the main screen, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now, click on the Options button at the bottom right, and from the Options menu, go ahead and tap on Support and Help. This will then open up the Help Center. You will see a list of common FAQs. If you find your issue here, then that's great. If not, tap on the Customer Support button at the bottom. Now you can go ahead and type in your message clearly in the text box at the bottom. You can also add your user ID that is found on your profile screen, attach some screenshots if necessary. Then once done, you can then simply send the message to the customer support. After you are done, your message will be sent directly to the support team and they'll get back to you via in-game mail or email notification. So that's how you easily contact Warpath Ace Shooter's customer support. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Tap the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.